know how I managed to have done this again. Literally every single day of this break, I haven't woken up until 11 a.m. After I wake up, I usually just chill on my phone for a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, just catching up on the media, texting people back, and just chilling. First, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and get that situation covered, and then get on with my day. Let's go. Good morning. Gotta go brush my teeth and wash my face. Now that I have all the vibes going on in my room, I just like to take a big jug of water and I like to chug this like as soon as I wake up. I have like 2 of them before I have my coffee because it like wakes me up and makes me feel more alive and refreshed, and also makes me feel less like crap in the morning because I always feel like crap in the morning as soon as I wake up. I don't know why, I just always feel sick as soon as I wake up. So we're gonna drink this water and just chillax, and I sit on my phone and then we'll see what I have next on this big agenda. I don't know where my phone at. Where the hell is my phone, bitch? Where's my phone? Are you flipping kidding me right now? I'm just trying to have a good old morning routine and I can't find my stupid cellular device. Okay, you know what? Fuck it, I'm not going on my phone. Oh, it's under the pillow. You guys already know what is coming next. The most obvious, basic thing that everyone does as soon as they wake up. And what is that, ladies and gentlemen? That is going to make a big cup of coffee. What a surprise. Also, my lips are breaking off my face. They are completely crusted off. I'm gonna get up since it's winter, adding a little spice on it. Gonna go put on some chapstick. And please don't come at me telling me that I'm trying to be Emma Chamberlain, because the truth is my lips are breaking off my face. Therefore, I do need some chapstick, people. Thank you. Thank you so much for being understanding. I don't think I own any chapstick as of right now. I don't know where. Also, I need to blow out this candle because it's giving me a really bad headache already. Honestly, candles, I love them and I love burning them, but they honestly make me want to die. They make my head like hurt so bad that right now I feel like I need to die. But I love candles. I'm basic, so I'm gonna keep buying them because they smell good. And what kind of person would I be if I didn't buy candles? But I'm gonna go make my cup of coffee now. I'm just not myself, and don't talk to me until I've had my morning coffee. Bet you guys couldn't guess what I'm gonna do now. We're going to play on my laptop. Why did I say play on my laptop? We're going to go on my laptop. I'm gonna put in my AirPods. That's all I gotta say. I had to make sure that I added that in, putting in my AirPods now. I'm going to sit here, finish my coffee, and chill on my laptop instead of my phone now. We're stepping up the game a little bit. I'm gonna be watching some YouTube videos probably, because that's what I usually do every single day of my life. And drink my coffee because I just made it. So that's what we're gonna do now. Who should we watch today? Look who it is. I just made this channel art yesterday and I still don't know how I feel about it, but I think it's kind of dope at the same time, so I don't really know, but we'll see. And round 2, ladies and gentlemen. Chandler is here and now he has joined the party.
Hi everyone. How was your guys' day? Mine was pretty shitty.
We figured out that we're gonna go out to eat today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Hello. It's makeup and hair time, fellas. I'm not really sure exactly what I feel like looking like today. I'm just not feeling myself today, and I just don't know if I feel like making myself feel like I want to feel myself. I don't know where I'm going with that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready. Hair is done, guys. Let's put the outfit on. This is my outfit. It's nothing special. I'm just wearing my Levi jeans, my white Docs, and this jacket from Urban Outfitters. This is so soft. It's like my new favorite jacket. Okay, so that is the end of my winter break morning routine video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around a little bit more often, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye, guys.